Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. As you all know that we are learning how to solve the word problems from the chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables. This video is part 3 of this series. We have already learned 4 word problems in our previous videos. Today we are going to solve 2 more word problems. In case you missed the previous videos, you can go back and check in the description box. For that, I will share the video link in the description box below the video. Also, if you are new to my channel, you can explore the other concept videos which I have already covered in my channel. Please subscribe to the channel because these kinds of videos I bring to you daily to make maths concepts simpler. So now let's jump into the video. So friends, here we have problem number 5. Let's read it. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed. Okay, is fixed. And the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and cost of food per day. So what we have to find? We have to find the fixed charges and cost of food per day. Okay. So here first assume we don't know what is the fixed charges and what is the what is the cost of food per day. So let the fixed charges let the fixed charges be rupees x and the cost of food per day be rupees y. Okay. So here student A takes food for 20 days. She has to pay rupees 1000. Let me explain you one thing. Suppose you and me are student. Okay, you are student A, student B. Okay. So here in a hostel, a fixed charge here, a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed. So if fixed charge is X rupees, so this is fixed. You also have to pay and I also have to pay. That is fixed. That is common amount. We both have to pay. And additionally, what we have to pay, it depends on the number of days the food we take in there. Okay, suppose I take food for 20 days, I will have to pay for 20 days only. Suppose you take food for 15 days, then you have to pay for 15 days only. But for that we should know what is the cost of the food per one day. So here cost of food per day is y rupees, for one day y rupees. So suppose I take food for 20 days, then I will have to pay 20 y rupees. Clear? So we will use this concept here. So according to the problem according to the problem for student A, we will form an equation, linear equation. Student A has to pay fixed amount, that is X rupees, plus additionally she has to pay the cost of food. Okay, so that is A takes food for 20 days, 20y. So what is the total amount she has to pay? Already it is given in the question, 1000 rupees. 1000. Clear? So it is equation number 1. It is equation number 1. Now we have to form another equation. Okay, student B who takes food for 26 days, okay, pays rupees 1180. It means it is the sum of fixed charge and the cost of food she has taken. So fixed charge means X rupees, plus B takes food for 26 days. It means cost of food is 26y rupees, Total amount is 1180 rupees. This is equation number 2. Now we will use elimination method here. So you can clearly see here the coefficient of x is already equal. See, 1 1, here coefficient of x is 1, here coefficient of x is 1, and here also coefficient of x is 1. So here no need to multiply by any number to any equation. Okay, so we have to subtract here. So subtract here, subtracting, we will write subtracting. Okay, if we subtract, the sign will be changed, minus, plus will become minus, and plus will become minus. X cancel, here we will get minus 6y is equal to, here we will get 1180 minus 1000 is 180. It means y is equal to minus 180 by minus 6. Minus minus will be cancelled. 6 3s are and x 0. Y is equal to 30. Okay, y is equal to 30. Now put the value of y in equation number 1. It means from equation number 1. What was equation number 1? X plus 20y is equal to 1000. X plus 20y is equal to 1000. Put the value of y here. So x plus 20 into what is the value of y? 30 is equal to 1000. So here x plus 600 is equal to 1000. Okay, so here x is equal to 1000 minus 600, that is 400. That is 400. But what is x here? Actually x is the amount, fixed charge. Okay, so the fixed charge is 400 rupees. The fixed charge is equal to rupees 400. The food cost of food per day, which is y, is equal to rupees 30. Per day food charge is 30 rupees. Okay, I hope you have understood it very well, this problem. Now let's move to the next question. So we have problem number 6 here. Let us read. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? How old are Noori and Sonu means what is the present age of Noori and Sonu? How old are Noori and Sonu? So our solution, we will start our solution from here only. Let the present age of Noori be x years. Present age of Sonu be y years. Okay, now 5 years ago. Okay, 5 years ago, what was the condition? Suppose you are 15 years old. What was your age 5 years ago? That is 15 minus 5. Okay, you have to subtract 5 years. 15 minus 5 is 10. So 5 years ago, the same thing we will do here. 5 years ago, Noori's age. 5 years ago, Noori's age is equal to, present age is x minus 5 years. Sonu's age. 5 years ago, Sonu's age. Present age of Sonu is y. So y minus 5 years. Okay. So now read the question. Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. When? 5 years ago. Okay. So 5 years ago, Noori was, it means Noori's, you have to write Noori's age first. X minus 5 is equal to, okay, was. It means write is equal to. Then thrice as old as Sonu. Thrice means 3 times. thrice as old as Sonu. Means that time what was Sonu's age? What was Sonu's age? Y minus 5. Y minus 5. Here it is Sonu's age. Y minus 5. So now simplify it. X minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. So here just transpose, okay, variables one side and constants other side. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. Okay, it means x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is our first linear equation. Okay, now read the second part of the question. 10 years later. Okay, 10 years later. So 10 years later. 10 years later, what will be the condition? Suppose you are 15 years old. What will be your age after 10 years? 15 plus 10, that is 25. So 10 years later, Noori's age is equal to, what is her present age? X. 10 years later means x plus 10 years. X plus 10 years. And Sonu's age. Present age of Sonu is y. So y plus 10 years. Y plus 10 years. Okay. So read here. Noori will be twice as old as Sonu when 10 years later. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So you have to write 10 years later age of Noori. So Noori's age means x plus 10. X plus 10 is equal to twice. Twice means 2 times of Sonu's age, this age. Okay. So y plus 10. Y plus 10. Now simplify it. So here x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. So transpose, one side variables and other side constants. 20 minus 10. So x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10 is 10. It is equation number 2. Now see equation number 1 and 2 carefully. If we use elimination method, here you can see coefficient of x is already equal. Coefficient is 1. So subtracting already equal and sign is same. So we have to subtracting equation 1 and 2. It means equation 2 from equation 1. Okay. So write the equation x minus 3y is equal to minus 10 and x minus 2y is equal to 10. So subtract here, you will get opposite sign. Minus will become plus and plus will become minus. X cancel, minus 3y plus 2y, that is minus y, and minus 10 we get minus 20. Minus cancel, y is equal to 20. Now from equation number 1, we can get the value of x. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. X minus 3 into 20 is equal to minus 10. It means x minus 60 is equal to minus 10. It means x is equal to minus 10 plus 60. It means x is equal to how much? 50. X is equal to 50. It means Noori's present age of Noori is, what is x here? Noori's present age. Present age of Noori is equal to 50 years and present age of Sonu is 20 years. Okay. So we have solved the problem. So I hope you have understood today's concepts, but still you have some doubts, you can comment me in the comment section below the video. and please click the bell icon so that you can get the notifications whenever I drop the new videos. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care. Thanks for watching.